suspension settings specifically developed for the bike. Only available previously on the Adventure Sports, Showa ERA offers optimized damping in all riding conditions, as well as the Ablatito change rear spring preload on the Nvidia and the 6.5-inch touchscreen display. Available in 5 modes: SOFT, Mid, Hard, OFF-Pro, and User. The system's flexibility means that damping adjustment can be programmed to suit the rider's preference at the touch of a button. Rolling on 21/018 wheels, the CRF1100L Africa Twin now also features tubeless Metzeler Karoo Street tires, a standard fitment that allow for swift puncture repairs when riding without the need to remove a wheel.